युनायटेडली असेंब्लीन फायट करतले म्हणून सांगता, पण आयज आमी खंय तरी पळयता की आप आसा तशेंच गोवा फॉरवर्ड आसा
कितें मरे आमी आज तिगजा आमदार आहे काँग्रेसीत. एज काँग्रेस पार्टी आय कॅन स्पीक knowing Venzy Viegas personally. He's been very vociferous against the BJP government. In the past, I was not there when he made that comment, but my personal belief is I would stay away from commenting on tall leaders. Now, Bhausaheb Bandodkar, Jag Sikher, they are tall leaders of the state. And in their absence to comment, I think my principles doesn't suit me. It is not my principles when they cannot defend themselves. And I'm confident that it is my role as leader of opposition to unite all of them. It is you either stay in the opposition or you stay in the ruling. Now, when we are in the opposition, every opposition leader it is a role of to make sure that opposition members are together. On the 24th, we will discuss on how to go about it.
सो जर ते तुमच्या वांगडा ना जाल्यार ते गव्हर्मेंटा वांगडा अशें म्हणपाचें.
ना कितें हा ऑपोजिशन और रुलींग. ऑपोजिशन तरी वांगडा रावले जाल्यार मागीर ऑपोजिशन जाता न्हू तें. आतां ऑपोजिशन न्हू 7 जाम आहाय गेले ते सेशनार रावल्ले न्हू आमी 7 जां आहले न्हू. So whatever our differences, I think the people of Goa are looking at us and we should set example. It is you either be with the opposition or ruling, and we need to forget whatever differences we have. We might have political differences with each other. Constituency कोण एकमेकांक हेजे बसो सोदतले, but then howza कितें हा लोकांगे problem केन्ना मोयताय. My responsibility is to make sure that we go as a united opposition, which I will do.